Okay, this is R002, using ICT to create business solutions. Okay, so task 2, creating promotional material. You need to create a magazine advert, source some elements, and also produce an item of publicity. So, magazine advert. Adam is giving you some advertising space. It's not that big, it is only 6 centimetres wide by 12 centimetres high. You need to make sure you use this space as best as you can to encourage people to visit the exhibition stand, and you can only afford to advertise in one edition. So it's very important this advert is as best used as possible. So your task, create a suitable advert. Adam has provided some text that you need to use. This text is found in the shared area. Make sure you use all of the text. You create this advert in several different ways. Now, the best way is either using Microsoft Publisher or using Adobe Fireworks. So when you set up these documents, you'll need to make sure you choose a custom size and make sure you put in 6 centimetres wide by 12 centimetres high. Make sure you use lots of colour, make sure you make the advert as interesting as possible, eye-catching, and make sure you split up the text to show important information as clearly as possible, and making sure all the other information that needs to be on there is placed suitably. Okay, next part, sourcing elements. The next part is helping Adam to promote the special Stream as Kids Go top-up cards. Now, imagine an exhibition where people can go around and see different stands. There needs to be some promotional material on the table or on the boards behind to advertise this Stream as Kids Go top-up card. There's some useful information on here. For example, it clearly shows that parents can register. They can use it to buy movies or rent movies and top up from £5 to £50. There are loads and loads of suitable movies that kids can watch, and this needs to be portrayed in some kind of item of publicity. So you need to find some elements that you want to use for this. You need to use the internet to get these informations. So finding relevant images will need to be completed, and you need to put it into some kind of source table. So this example here, I've got item, I've got the search criteria that I looked for, got the website source, does this item have copyright, and who is the copyright owner. For example, I've searched for a poster of Happy Feet. So the search criteria I put into a search engine, I've searched for Happy Feet poster. The website I got it from is a link there. Does this item have copyright? Yes, it does. Who's the owner? Warner Brothers. That's because Warner Brothers created the Happy Feet film. So you need to make sure you've got a big list of sources, what you searched for to get those pictures, and the relevant copyright information. Okay, so once you've done all that and you've collected all your pictures and you've recorded them in your source table, you need to produce some kind of item of publicity. So the task is produce an item of publicity that Adam can use to help launch the Stream as Kids Go top-up card. Examples, you can create a flyer, a poster, leaflets, some cards, etc. There is no limit what you can create. So that is what you need to do to create promotional material for R002.